Welcome back to my YouTube channel, WARS PAK. Today, I'm excited to bring you something really special, a full look at the 2025 Ford Transit Camper Motorhome, a vehicle that truly combines functionality, comfort, and innovation in a way that's perfect for both casual travelers and hardcore vanlifers. If you've been following the channel for a while, you know how much I appreciate clever design, modern tech, and rugged practicality, and this new transit camper delivers all of that and more. Ford has taken the already popular transit platform and transformed it into a fully equipped motorhome that feels more like a compact apartment on wheels than a typical van. Right from the outside, the 2025 model gives off a bold and refined vibe. The updated grille, sleeker headlamp design, and aerodynamic enhancements don't just look great, they help with fuel efficiency and road handling as well. And yes, for those wondering, this year's model does come with optional AWD, which makes it even more versatile for off-grid adventures or rough terrain. Stepping inside, the first thing that hits you is how spacious and thoughtfully laid out everything is. The high roof design provides ample headroom, making the interior feel open and livable. You get premium materials across the board, from soft touch surfaces to durable vinyl flooring that's both stylish and easy to clean. The kitchenette is one of the standout areas. It features a 2-burner induction cooktop, a deep stainless steel sink, a compact but highly efficient fridge-freezer combo, and surprisingly good storage for pantry items and utensils. The cabinetry uses a soft close mechanism that adds a premium touch, and LED lighting is strategically placed to make the space feel cozy and modern. Right next to the kitchen area, there's a convertible dinette setup that turns into a double bed. What's cool is how smooth and intuitive the transformation is. You can go from work mode or dining mode to sleep mode in under a minute. The cushions are high-density foam, providing a surprisingly good sleep experience. Above the dinette, there's overhead storage, perfect for books, tech gear, or personal items. One of my favorite parts of this camper is how every square inch is used with intention. You won't find any wasted space here. Ford has also paid attention to tech in the 2025 Transit Camper. It comes equipped with a large touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, integrated navigation, and even a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot. There are multiple USB-C charging ports throughout the van, as well as 110 volts outlets powered by a lithium-ion battery system. The camper also includes a 300-watt solar panel setup on the roof, paired with an inverter and optional extra battery packs, perfect for those extended stays off-grid. Climate control is handled through a diesel heater for cold nights and a roof-mounted AC unit for summer heat. It's designed for year-round use, whether you're in the mountains or parked beachside. Another upgrade for 2025 is the wet bath. That's right, you've got a compact but fully functional bathroom inside. It includes a cassette toilet, a hot water shower, and a ventilated skylight. It's honestly one of the better executed wet bath setups I've seen in this size class. Water storage comes in at 25 gallons fresh, 20 gray, and a 5-gallon removable black tank, which is easy to empty and maintain. Driving the 2025 Transit Camper is a treat. The 3.5L EcoBoost V6 engine delivers solid power and torque, and with the 10-speed automatic transmission, you get a smooth, responsive driving experience whether you're cruising on highways or tackling backroads. Ford has also worked on noise insulation in this model, so cabin noise is significantly reduced, making those long drives more relaxing. The suspension has been fine-tuned for better ride comfort even when fully loaded, and the driver assist features, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, all help make the journey safer and less tiring. What really makes this camper stand out is the balance it strikes between everyday drivability and full-on livability. You can absolutely use this as a daily vehicle if needed, especially in cities with narrow streets or tight parking, but it also has everything you need for extended road trips or even full-time van life. For solo travelers, couples, or even small families, the layout is just about perfect. You can work from it, cook in it, sleep comfortably, and hit the road without sacrificing much of the comfort you'd expect from a larger RV. So that's the full update on the 2025 Ford Transit Camper Motorhome. Whether you're looking to upgrade your current van or you're new to the van life scene and want to jump in with a vehicle that's modern, reliable, and packed with features, this one deserves a serious look. Stay tuned for more reviews, build tours, and travel stories right here on WARS PAK. If you like this breakdown, make sure to subscribe, drop your thoughts in the comments, and let me know what van or vehicle you want to see next.